I started to build my DeFi portfolio like 1 month and a half ago.
Month and a half ago. Sweet. Cool.
Yeah. So I think I reached 1,000 amounts. I was like, okay, yeah, so this is real. And yeah, that's pretty it. I'm here, and yeah, I've got goals. I think this is okay. I'll manage to do to reach these goals for
what's the goal?
This next. I've got multiple goals, but
yep.
Basically, I've got one goal for this next year, like for the bull run. So it's basically it's my first goal. It's basically creating a secured amount of money with that bull run and with the help of DeFi. So basically, I'm just doing what DeFi the courses.
Cash flow to build
just cash flow to build the bull run.
Nice.
Yield on yield, all the stuff that
yields, baby.
Very, very good stuff. I just apply it and I see it working, so that's pretty good. And then the second one will be after the bull run to get a part of this money and use it in DeFi to just live with that. So basically, this is and then of course I've got other goals, but it's not even in DeFi. I've got other life goals, but yeah, I'll see what I can do with that. But so yeah, I've been in crypto for I think 2 years now.
Got it.
I bought my first Bitcoins like it was just after the bull run in 2021.
Okay.
So I bought it and then it crashed, but I was in Australia this time and I didn't realize that. I wasn't aware of the cycles, all the volatility and stuff like that. I just bought it and was like, yeah, okay, I buy it and I'll see. I was aware of DeFi, but I didn't realize the whole potential that it had until I watched your videos on YouTube. At some point, I just what is that, like DeFi? What is talking about, like making $400 a day, and what is it? I see a lot of videos like that on YouTube. There is a lot of people saying we can do 10K a month. There is a lot of video like this, and I watched a lot of videos, and a lot of them I was like, yeah, it's bullshit. And then I watched your video. I was like, okay, yeah, that. Some things that I need to dig, because I feel like this might be something real. And then I was like, okay, so yeah, there is something to do. And then I think I joined the free course in the UIG, and I think I went through the course, like I ate it, like I was like full in, and at the end of the day I was just a member of the UAG.
Yeah,
I was like, yeah, okay, I understand. I just want to say, yeah, thank you for just taking that little 10 minutes of your time for people in the UIG. I think it's just one of the most important things in the community, to feel that we are in the community and you're not like a guru that is selling stuff and just disappear somewhere. And I think it's just big. I feel like this is really important, and yeah, I'm very excited to go forward on this path.
Thank you. That means a lot. You're doing the work clearly, and beyond that, what's going on?
I think it's one thing changed is that I started to trust myself, to trust in myself, and to trust about what I could become or be. I think if you just trust yourself, I think there is no, as you say, there is the only limit is you. You've got your limit, but your limit, it's only your limit. It means you can definitely go above and just do whatever you want if you want to do whatever you want. So I guess this is for me. This is just one. This is the only thing that I think if I have to check myself, like 2 years ago, it's the only big difference. There are lots of differences, I've got white hairs now and stuff like that. But
little wisdom, you're wiser.
If I have to add one more thing, is to be with other people that are succeeding, and a community like the UIG. I think it's helping a lot. It's helping a lot because you are seeing people who are succeeding, and of course it's just okay. This is doable. So if they are doing it, I can do it. This is just yeah. Again, I'm just really happy to be here. A lot to learn again. But yeah, I'm full on. I'm on the UIG every day, so
let's go, dude.
And yeah, I just going step by step. So following you, and yeah, can't wait to see what you have to give us more if you have to.
We got some stuff planned.
Well,
we got some stuff we're working on. Yep.
Well, yeah, the community is good, so I like it. All the people are very good people. I think, even if some are not really participating or like not writing anything, but I think if you step in and just buy the UIG member pass, like you're on a good path. It's just sometimes some people are taking more time to be full in, and some people don't. They just give up and that's it. That happens.
I know what I want and I'll do whatever it takes to get it type mentality.
Yeah. So thank you very much again. And nothing to say more. I'm just happy to be here and continue my path and reach my goals.